Hey guys, what's up? What's good? It's your girl Shakeira. Welcome if you're new and welcome back if you are returning. Now, I don't know what's up with me lately, but I've been feeling a lot of flat twist hairstyles. So that is what we're going to do right now, another flat twist tutorial. So what I just did, I just parted out a section at the top of my head where I'm going to be making some individual twists, and I'm going in with my shine and jam to help me clean up my part. You guys know by now I love cleaning up my part. I really love when it looks nice and crisp, and I'm just parting out a little section at the side of my head where I'm going to be creating some medium-sized flat twist. And just like with the top section, I am going back in with some shine and jam just to help me clean up my part, have it looking as neat as possible. Now, I've already moisturized my hair once I was finished washing it, but I'm just going back in with some of my favorite leave-in conditioner, which is from TGIN. And no, this video is not sponsored, but I absolutely, genuinely love their products. You guys probably heard me raving about it before in other videos. So that is what I'm using to moisturize my hair, as well as their curl moisturizer to keep my hair moisturized. And the only reason why I am remoisturizing my hair is because I want my twist to look very juicy and fresh. And if this is your first time styling your own hair, or if you're still struggling, one of the tips that I can share with you guys is always keep the hair that you're not working on out of the way. And like I said before, you can use your favorite edge control, or like what I used, shine and jam, to help you with your parting if you're still struggling with your parting. So each step of the way, I'm just making sure I moisturize each strand with the leave-in conditioner as well as the moisturizer from TGIN. I did not use any oils on camera because I already did. I already have shea butter in my hair as well as my DIY oil. And I did the same thing on the other side. So for the back of my head, I'm just going to be creating some twists, and I'm doing them a little bit bigger than I would be doing them in the front, because these ones you're not really going to see. And as you guys can see as well, I'm using my hand some of the times to part the sections out, because you're not going to see the parting once I pin my hair up. The only reason why I'm creating some twist in the back is because I am doing a pin up, and I want my pin up to look as neat as possible, and I will not get the look I'm going for if my hair is loose in the back. So that is what I'm doing right now, and I am detangling my hair, making sure my hair is nice and smooth as well as moisturized. So unlike the twist in the back, the twist in the front, they are more like the focal point of this hairstyle. So I'm making sure I twist them a little bit smaller as well as neater. And I'm doing a little bit of a slanted part because I want my hair to be falling on the right side of my face. So depending on which side you want your hair to fall, you want to twist your hair in that direction. And you guys will also notice for the front, I am using a lot more products to moisturize my hair, and I am using my comb more often as well because I really want this part of my hair to be as neat as possible, and I want my twist in the front to look very juicy. So the more products you use, the more moisturized your hair is, the more juicy your curls will look. And when I get to the ends of my twist, I am twirling my hair around my fingers just to create like a finger coil type of look at the ends of my hair. And I just continue doing the same thing, twisting my hair all up until I'm finished. So for the back of my head, I will be pinning them up like I said earlier, and every single twist in the back and at the side of my head, I will be pinning them up in an upward direction to meet the section in the front. And I do not have any special way of pinning my hair up. There is no special technique. I am just trying to figure out, what placement to put my hair, and I'm trying to hide my part as much as possible as well, because I really did not meant for them to show, and I did not even part them properly to begin with. So I'm trying to hide them as best as I can and place my hair in a position I think will look very neat. So this is the final look, guys. This is the outcome. I honestly did not expect this hairstyle to look as good as it is looking, because I didn't feel like my hair is long enough in the front to give me the look that I was going for, but I absolutely love this hairstyle. It is so elegant and so cute and simple. The simplest hairstyles sometimes are the best. So let me know what you think about this hairstyle in the comment section. Also give me a thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe, and also hit the bell so you are notified every time I post these very cute and simple protective hairstyles. I love you guys and appreciate you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.